Hi guys, this is my 64-bit preloader for Excel. I'm just going to run through the free demos. So the first demo just fades in the preloader, displays the dummy task at the bottom on the status bar, and then should happily fade it out in a second. The second one just loops through worksheet rows just so you can get an idea of how it works when you're doing a task. And then the third one does a similar thing, but it displays the worksheet rows at the top of the preloader. There it goes. What you can do quite a bit while it's running. It doesn't crash, so you can type text, you can add and delete worksheets. Doesn't really affect it. It just loses focus slightly as you're on the actual worksheet itself. Okay, let's have a look at some of the code. So spin just has three calls. Init, which takes width, height for the message. Go, which takes quite a few more parameters actually. I'm not going to run through all of them, but you can tweak it quite well. And then kill at the end just has a fade out duration. The reason I do the init different to initialize is that if you go into this workbook, you'll see it on the workbook open, and it just runs the init. It just gets everything ready. The HTML is just written to the web browser control. It just speeds things up quite a bit. Okay, so let's just tweak this. I'll just take out this comment just so you can see something a bit different. So it's just a blue preloader with different settings, style in the preloader. You can drag it about, and even when you're holding it, I think it just fades out eventually. Even with it when you're gripping it. Yeah. What you can do, you can kill it a lot quicker. So let's take this down because we don't want it running forever. So I'll just run that again, and you watch how quick it fades out. It's pretty instant. So that just fades out like that. Okie doke. Yeah, $2.99 on FastSpring. Thanks for watching.